Hey, what's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just wanted to show you how you can insert and edit a column sparkline chart in Excel. Sparklines are just basically mini graphs that are placed within a cell, and they're great because they allow you to get an understanding of what's going on with your data without having to take a bunch of space. So first, to insert a column sparkline chart, you want to hide the data, not the dates or the names, but just the numbers that you want to make the sparklines out of. So we're going to highlight this right here. Now we're going to go to the Insert tab, and under the Sparklines grouping, the middle one just says column. So we're going to click on that, and then location range. So location range is where you want to place the Sparkline. It's already selected the data range from what we selected, but your location range, because we want to, in this instance, I want to make a Sparkline for each person covering these dates. I'm going to put the location name into the column coupled to the right, just for an example. Click OK. I can see we have sparkling charts. One thing to note is that they do look kind of grouped right now. That's because of the cell width. So like this, you can't really see any spacing between the bars. We can make the width a little bit wider so you can see it a bit more clearly. And you have flexibility in how you edit these. So after you click into the sparkline, you're going to see a tab called Sparkline at the top. And here you can edit the color of the sparkline, for example. So let's just say we wanted to have it be green. Now we have green sparklines. You can also insert different markers. So if you had negative points, you could highlight the negative points. You could highlight the low points, and now you can see the low point in every one of them is red. Similar thing for the high point. Mark the first point and the last point. Let's just say we wanted to have the last point marked as red. Or we can go over here, click the marker color, and we can edit the different markers. So just say we wanted the last point to be highlighted in red, but we wanted the first point to be highlighted in blue. Click the marker color, click first point, click the blue color. Now you can see we have a blue color for the first one and then a red color for the last one. There's also some flexibility that you can have with the axis, though you're probably not going to see this too much per se, because as you can see it's kind of small. So you can, but one thing that you can do is you can plot data from left to right instead. So as you can see now it's flipped. But just want to be clear that if you're doing this, just make a note. So you can have vertical axis. You can have the vertical axis change for each sparkline, or you can have it the same for each sparkline, which can, depending on what you're doing, can make what you're doing more clear. Similar thing with the vertical axis. It defaults to having a vertical axis that is the same automatic for each sparkline, but you can have it the same for each sparkline. And then you can also click show axis, so nothing really shows in this specific instance, and that's because clicking on that, highlighting over show axis, it says the horizontal axis. This shows sparkline horizontal axis, but it only appears if the data crosses the zero axis. So that's something that's useful to know. You can also have a custom value for the vertical axis and a custom value for the vertical axis minimum and maximum. So a couple things to note with there. I said, yeah, I hope you found this quick tutorial on inserting a column sparkline in Excel to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks so much for watching. Hope that you have a great day.